Magnetic resonance imaging conducted on unrestrained awake dogs is a new method that creates a fresh way of examining function and structure in the dog brain.
The method is humane, cost-effective, and it works, not only for dogs in this research context, but as a scaffold for other husbandry behavior training programs. The transfer and classical counter-conditioning strategies help the dogs to rapidly acclimate a robust stationing behavior to the scanner environment.
Because the protocol is cost-effective, it is generalizable to trainers around the world without regular access to an MRI scanner.
For active auditory exposure sessions, transport the dog to a familiar indoor training room and play scan audio at the session-specified volume. After 10 seconds, engage in 20 seconds of toy play with the dog while the scanner noise is still audible. After 20 seconds of play, retrieve the toy from the dog and pause the noise. Then wait with the dog in silence without the reward for 10 seconds before starting the next trial. Conduct one session of 10 trials per week for 12 weeks, increasing the decibel volume over the sessions throughout the duration of the training period. To capture the chin target to towel with the dog standing, sitting, or in a down position, click, then treat to allow the dog to investigate the towel. Once the dog will investigate